Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a frame in Figma. To begin, locate the frame tool in your toolbar, which looks like a small rectangle. Alternatively, you can simply press the F key on your keyboard for a quick shortcut. Once activated, click and drag your mouse across the canvas to instantly draw a new frame. This frame will serve as a foundational container for all your design elements, helping you organize your work effectively. After creating your frame, you can easily adjust its size. Head over to the Properties panel on the right side of your screen. Here, you can manually input precise width and height values, ensuring your frame meets exact specifications. Figma also offers a wide range of convenient presets, such as popular phone or desktop dimensions, allowing you to quickly set up frames for common devices with just one click. Frames are powerful for responsive design. In the Properties panel, you can add a layout grid to your frame, providing a structured foundation for your elements. Furthermore, setting constraints for objects within your frame is crucial. These controls dictate how elements behave when the frame is resized. You can choose options like left and right or scale to ensure your designs adapt gracefully across different screen sizes. Frames are not just for single screens, they are excellent for organization. You can nest frames inside one another, building complex and logical hierarchies for your designs. This also makes frames ideal for defining reusable components, saving you significant time and effort. A well-organized file, utilizing frames effectively, greatly enhances collaboration with your team and streamlines the design handoff process, making everything much smoother.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.